Hey, SamR here, and welcome to BleuPage Pro. Now, this is a new software that allows you to be able to post content to 8 social media channels all at once. Not only does it do that, but it allows you to be able to pull content via RSS feeds and websites and blogs and automatically post it as well. So we're going to take a look at that today. I'm going to show you exactly some of the things you could do with the software and discuss some of the benefits of it as well. So if we look on the left, as you can see, you can connect up your Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, blog, Google+, WordPress site, and YouTube. Now, something I want to point out about BleuPage Pro was how easy it was to connect these as well. You may have noticed in some of the software that does these sorts of things with Facebook, you have to have the developer app ID and things like that and create an app and go through and get the secret key. Same with Twitter and things like that as well. BleuPage Pro, it's as simple as being logged in and then just clicking connect and then authorizing the app. So it was super simple to get connected. Same with Instagram and Twitter and things like that as well. So I was quite impressed with how easy it was to be able to connect your social accounts to this app. Okay, so what can this do? Well, basically you can design posts and post them to all networks from within one place. You can also get content to be able to figure out, find content to be able to automatically post, and you can configure the auto posting as well. So the first thing we'll take a quick look at is how to create a post that we can upload onto all of our social networks. So if we go into Post Designer, it brings up this here, which is a design template. It's a square, so it's a nice fit as an image for Facebook. It's a nice fit for Pinterest, for Twitter, for Instagram as well. So it's a nice uniform square shape. Now we can add an image in there just by clicking add image. We can upload an image from our computer, or we can take one from the gallery if we feel so. So we can click up car and we'll search it. And we've got about a few results relating to cars. Bear in mind it hasn't loaded up full, maybe because I'm using quite a large screen. So we're going to choose this car here and click OK. Now let's put it into the gallery, and as you can see, it's got a transparent image as well. So it's transparent around the background. So we can add a background image if we do so like. We can upload it in the same fashion as this, or we can even choose the color. You can choose from a number of different things from within this pencil palette, or you can go over to the color wheel and go around and choose any color you like and even correct things. So we'll stick with this color here, and we'll put it on the text. We can put on some big text, and we're just going to call this, we'll just put the text over here, and we're just going to call this demo text for video. So super easy. With this as well, we can change the color within here. It looks like the color wheel is bugging out. It's showing all black, so we'll just go back over to the pencils. So we can just choose a color, exit that, put it in, resize it, whatever we want to do. So with this, you can quickly build a post that you can then post on all of your social networks. Once you've built this all up, keep in mind you can also change the transparency as well. It's quite a basic builder, but the benefits of that is it's quite easy to use as well. So once we've done that, we just hit continue. We can either download the image or we can go continue. And here it's brought up all the accounts I've linked up in the left. So when it comes to Twitter, I can post this to Twitter. My LinkedIn, if I've put that in, I can do it to my personal Facebook, to pages as well, or into groups. Same with Instagram, Pinterest, and Google+. We can also put a URL in the post as well to be able to lead people there. Put in our description, demo text, and then from here we can schedule the post to post it later. If we want, we can choose a date and time, and it's based on your computer's time, or you can just uncheck that and just click post, and that will post it to all your feeds. Very simple to be able to put content to all your social media channels. Now, as far as I can tell with this is it doesn't do video, just images at this stage. However, it's still perfect for being able to create content quickly and easily, especially, image-based content over so many social networks. Now, if you wanted to pull content, we can go return to home here. And what we can do is, we got a few things. We've got a bulk uploader as well, or we can even just quickly update a status on various networks. Contents fetcher. Now, if we click on Contents Fetcher, we can put in a URL to be able to pull content from and just have it as the content feeds, just repost it to our social accounts. So you can put in, you know, a favorite blog of yours, a favorite Facebook page, things like that. You can put these in, and then it's going to take the feed, and then it's going to allow it to automatically post to your networks as well. You can search it all up. You can create a queue of content based on where they pull the content from your, you know, from these sorts of things. So you can sort of automate it all very easily. Now, if we go back into the home page, if we go into configure auto posting, again, we can choose what sort of feeds we want, what sort of topics for these feeds we want, and we can also choose which accounts we want to put this to by just toggling it on and off with the checkbox. Okay, you can select the time you want posts to go out, and you can have it, you know, either Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and so on and so on. So this can find content automatically for you, or like we said with the contents fetcher, you can choose your own content sources. So, summary of BleuPage Pro, I found it very impressive in terms of how easy it was to connect all the social accounts. The image designer, although basic, is easy and effective and solid. You know, it's not too complicated, and it's very easy to pick up and play with and be able to create content that's easy and fast to publish to all networks in an image size that's suitable for all networks as well. Contents Fetcher is quite a cool solution for those of you who can't create content constantly, so that's also a nice little positive there, and just the sheer scale of the amount of networks you can post to as well. Something I did find quite impressive too, so we jump over into the training modules. As you can see, there's multiple categories for each little part. Not only does it have view instructions in a document, but you also have the video as well. So there's a huge resource in terms of the training for this software as well. So this has been Sam. It's been a pleasure to show you BleuPage Pro. I think the advantages over some of the other auto posters is probably the fact that it does so many networks at once. Also being able to fetch content to be able to post on all networks was quite a positive as well. But I think if you are just beginning out, you know, if you're managing your social media accounts and you're spending time updating each one individually, and you're looking for a way to streamline this, but you know your skills might not be too technical, then this is probably good for you because it's very easy to use and has good training as well, and super easy to connect up. So this is Sam. Hope you enjoyed the demo of BleuPage Pro. Check it all out down below on the bonus page. Also check out our early bird bonuses that we have on offer with this as well. Be sure to get in quick to get it at the best price possible, and no doubt we'll talk again soon. There's a few other promotions coming up this week that I'm sure you're going to love. But if you're into social media, get onto this as soon as you can. This is Sam. Talk tomorrow.